Hola, assalamu alaikum. Hey, so today I'm gonna do a day to night look. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of that daytime lip and put on this plumping sexy mother pucker. I got it from Target back in the States, and I put this on first so that I can get like a little bit more plump while I do other stuff. Alrighty, so this is my look right now, my eye look, but I want to change it up, and the way I'm gonna do that is with this Sephora eyeliner that's kind of jacked up and you can't really see anymore. But yeah, it's from Sephora, and I put this in my waterline. I see. It looks kind of gray because of my daytime liner. But you just keep going back and forth. And then you do the same as you do to the other side. Okay. The lighting. Okay. So that. And then I want a nighttime look, so I kind of want to go with little bedroom eyes. So I get a brush, which is the e.l.f. blending brush, and the blush looks like that. And I go into my Nude Tude palette from the Balm, and I use Sultry just to kind of build that dark color. And I put it here, and I work like so. Blend, 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 blend. And then I use a darker color, which in this palette, since it's the summertime, I kind of want to go with something shimmery. So I'm gonna go with Sophisticated. Like so. And just for a little bit more pizzazz, I go into Sophisticated again, but with this brush. Dab, dab, dab. I put it underneath my waterline and give me more of that bedroom eye, sophisticated look. That's for the eyes. And then I take off the plumper. And this rag right here, it is to take off makeup. Specifically, I got it back in the States at Sephora. And then I'm gonna go in with my lip liner from Nabi, Apple lip liner pencil. And I got this Nabi pencil. Focus. And I got it from Amazon. One of my close friends, she recommended it to me. And there's like 60 of them for like $11. I was like, yeah. Okay, so that is for the lips. And then I'm gonna go in with this lip, the Lorac Pro. And it is Berry Red, $16.95. I get so much compliments with this red. Like good compliments. And there you go. So since it is a day to night one, most likely I come back with my contour looking kind of like I need some help. So I go ahead and go back into my Pure bronze powder and kind of just tidy up my look. And then when it comes to sponges, make sure that they are kind of wet so that you can pick up the right amount of product. Boom, boom. Oh, I probably covered all that. Okay, so this is what I did, just to kind of freshen up my makeup. And I actually like putting it on my lip. As well, it just stays in. Dang, I'm just covering my whole life with this little palette. Huh. Alright, so there you have it, chicas. I hope you like it. If you care, please share my video. Let me know what you are looking for and I will provide. Love you. Talk to you later. Bye.